Hello, we're on the Autoprof, the Dutch automotive show for the aftermarket. We're from Sorenco. We provide tools and small workshop equipment. We just started distributing the SmartSafe product line, which is Benelux's first product line. It includes diagnostics and balancing, unloading, offloading of EV batteries, and it's available from stock right now.
Hello, my name is Sjoerd Flonk. I work for FOM, focus on mobility, and I'd like to show you some products from SmartSafe which you can use to diagnose or repair electric vehicles. All the products from SmartSafe are developed to work on an electric car, and here you can see all the products. This one is the charger discharger to quickly charge or discharge a high voltage battery pack. What you see here is a battery balancer used for little modules up to 55 volts. You can balance, you can charge or discharge with an amperage of 5 amps. So this is a very useful tool to balance little battery modules. Here you see a high voltage power supply which can produce high voltage up to 900 volts DC with 5 amps of current to charge system or used to diagnose some electric systems used in an electric car. Besides that, we also have the diagnostic system. It's a system tester used to diagnose the high voltage battery system or the whole car. The last product SmartSafe also provides is a unit to test the airtightness of a battery pack or a high voltage unit. This is a very useful tool when you repair parts of an electric vehicle and you have to check the airtightness of the system.